The Lord be with you. I'm Deacon Keith Fournier, and our first reading is taken from the book of the prophet Jeremiah. When that time comes, Yahweh declares, I shall be the God of all the families of Israel, and they will be my people. Yahweh says this, they have found pardon in the desert, those who have survived the sword. Israel is marching to his rest. Yahweh has appeared to me from afar. I have loved you with an everlasting love, and so I still maintain my faithful love for you. I shall build you once more. Yes, you will be rebuilt, Virgin of Israel. Once more in your best attire, and with your tambourines, you will go out dancing gaily. Once more you will plant vineyards on the mountains of Samaria. Those who plant will themselves enjoy the fruit. Yes, a day will come when the watchmen shout on the mountains of Ephraim, up! Let us go up to Zion, to Yahweh our God. For Yahweh says this, shout with joy for Jacob. Hail the chief of nations, proclaim, praise, shout. Yahweh has saved his people, the remnant of Israel. And our response is from Jeremiah chapter 31. Listen, nations, to the word of Yahweh. On the farthest coasts and islands proclaim it. Say, he who scattered Israel is gathering him, will guard him as a shepherd guarding his flock. For Yahweh has ransomed Jacob, rescued him from a hand stronger than his own. They will come shouting for joy on the heights of Zion, thronging towards Yahweh's lavish gifts, for wheat, new wine and oil, sheep and cattle. They will be like a well-watered garden. They will sorrow no more. The young girl will then take pleasure in the dance, and young men and old alike. I shall change their mourning into gladness, comfort them, and give them joy after their troubles. And a reading from the Holy Gospel according to St. Matthew. Jesus left that place and withdrew to the region of Tyre and Sidon. And suddenly out came a Canaanite woman from that district and started shouting, Lord, Son of David, take pity on me. My daughter is tormented by a devil. But he said not a word in answer to her. And his disciples went and pleaded with him, saying, give her what she wants, because she keeps shouting after us. He said in reply, I was sent only to the lost sheep of the house of Israel. But the woman had come up and was bowing low before him. Lord, she said, help me. He replied, it is not fair to take the children's food and throw it to little dogs. She retorted, yes, Lord, but even little dogs eat the scraps that fall from their master's table. Then Jesus answered her, woman, you have great faith. Let your desire be granted. And from that moment, her daughter was well again. The Gospel of the Lord.
Rex